Hey folks, Sheilah here from DesignFiles. In today's video, we're going to be covering the layering tools within the Moodboard Editor. Now, the layering tools are really essential because they help you shift items in your design boards, whether you're creating simple concept boards like this or full room mockups like this. So they essentially help you push items backwards in your designs or bring them all the way to the front, so they're on the top layer. So think about it this way. Every single item that you pull out onto your design board, it basically acts as a new layer. So if I've got this tile piece selected here, and let's say I want to bring it forward. Over here on the toolbar, you can see that I've got a couple of options with the layer tools to bring it forward. This one is going to bring it forward one layer at a time. And this one is going to bring it all the way to the front layer. So it's sitting on top of all the other layers within my design board. So if I use this one, here you can also see that I can push it back one layer at a time, or I can push it all the way to the back. So you can see how things are changing as I select these options in the toolbar. So now let's use this one and we'll just bring it forward one layer at a time. So I'm just going to keep clicking it, and you can see that it starts to jump ahead of certain layers. Now, sometimes when you're clicking it, it might not look like it's moving forward at all, but keep in mind that it could be a case where this stool over here, or this piece of marble, or the faucet here, those might be the other layers that are sitting just in between. So technically this item is moving forward past those, but because it's not overlapping, it might not look like it's moving. So again, you would just click until you see it moving into the position that you like, and then you can also push it back one layer at a time, or again, push it all the way to the bottom or all the way to the front. So that's essentially how it works. It's pretty simple and easy to use, and you should definitely give it a go on your next mood board design. And of course, if you have any questions about how to use the layering tools within the mood board editor, feel free to reach out to us on the live chat. We're always happy to help.